Hey, I'm Pusher. Welcome to another Music Minute, where we talk about how music works. Today, I want to talk about some more interesting rhythmic possibilities. There are three basic things we can do to alter the length of a note: ties, dots, and tuplets. A tie is the simplest. It's a little curved line that connects two or a chain of notes of the same pitch, like C to C or F sharp to F sharp, and you play all of the connected notes as though it's one long ongoing note. A dot adds half the length of the note. So if you have a whole note worth 4 beats, with a dot will be worth 6. A half note, which is worth 2 beats, with a dot will be worth 3. A quarter note, which is worth 1 beat, with a dot will be worth 1.5. An eighth note, which is worth half of a beat, with a dot will be worth 3/4 of a beat. And a tuplet condenses or stretches notes to fit into a certain amount of time. The most common tuplet is a triplet, or 3 notes in the time of 2. 1 and 2, triplet 4. I recommend that when you're practicing rhythm, you use a metronome. Google has a simple metronome you can use.